Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming requirements: vehicle voltage, target kW, and grid connection limits. Put on PPE and establish a permanent grounded work area. Safety is non-negotiable. Acquire a commercial isolated DC power module, a certified EV charging head, contactors, and surge protection. Order an EVS controller that supports CCS or CH-ADE-MO and can slash PLC communications. Once parts arrive, lay them out logically and label every component so wiring and tests stay organized and traceable. Begin by mounting the DC power module inside an IP-rated enclosure with adequate cooling. Make sure clearances meet vendor specs. Make control and power wiring in stages. Connect DC output through rated contactors and fuses, then route sensor leads, current, voltage, temperature to the EVS controller. Integrate ground fault detection and an emergency stop circuit tied to the interlock. Once physically wired, program basic controller parameters: voltage, current limits, handshake protocol, so the charger can speak to the vehicle correctly. Power up with a controlled, no-load check. Confirm DC output rails are stable and the controller shows correct telemetry. Next, run a low-current charge trial with a test load or compatible vehicle while monitoring temperature, voltage regulation, and communication handshakes. If a fault appears, immediately stop and isolate the supply. Check contactor coil wiring, sensor calibration, and can slash PLC addresses. Make sure firmware settings match the physical limits. Once stable, ramp to full power while watching protection trip thresholds and thermal behavior.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.